Every year, high-speed police chases claim over 300 lives and cost taxpayers millions in damages and lawsuits. Spike strips, pit maneuvers, roadblocks. These traditional methods often escalate the danger. One pursuit can exceed $1 million in collateral damage.
Curious? Let's see my patent-pending method. Welcome. Today, we're exploring the drone-based visibility obstruction revolutionary patent-pending method, a revolutionary tool for modern law enforcement. This integrated platform features AI-guided drones capable of autonomous tracking and real-time video transmission directly from the patrol vehicle. The platform itself is a sophisticated quadcopter or hexacopter, designed for stable flight and precision targeting in high-speed environments. For fleeing sedans, the system deploys a soft, biodegradable impact bag that bursts on contact, obstructing the driver's visibility with non-toxic gel. When targeting motorcycles, a specialized spray nozzle delivers a focused stream of gel to the helmet visor, safely ending the pursuit. These delivery mechanisms are designed for multiple deployments per mission, offering flexible and non-lethal intervention options. The system includes a removable, hood-mounted landing platform for autonomous return, powered by rooftop solar charging stations. High-resolution live video is streamed directly to the officer's dashboard, with all footage automatically encrypted for evidentiary review. Launching the system, followed by tracking and payload delivery. The operational flow is seamless, ensuring maximum efficiency and officer safety. The Visibility Obstruction System. Safer pursuits through intelligent technology. Thank you for watching.